Hi guys, what's up? Victor here, and today we are looking at the Swiss franc to the Japanese yen, more or less a continuation from the previous buy that we opened. So we want to see where the market is headed from now. Now we already know that the market was on an uptrend, right? However, we see these new levels of consolidation within the zone. So what we want to do is map out this area. Okay. Yeah, so this will be our, we can target our let's target our supply zone or our sell zone. Okay. Okay, then where else can we see that is significant? Let's look at our daily time frame. Okay, so on that significant point, like you rightly guessed, is right here, right? Oops, sorry guys, my head hurts. Yeah, so this is another significant level. You can also see another one here, but for now this is what's important to us, because we see that the market has tested this resistance. It came all the way down to this level, came down to this level, right? Sorry, came down to this level, tested it, but it did not break. Went here, broke through this resistance level, and now here became a support. Tested and found a new high, tested this region, came here and made like a double top. And one of the indications for a change in direction is when the market makes a double top. This seemingly feels like a double top, right? And it has done that. Tested here once, tested here again, and then came all the way down, rejected the support and came all the way up, tested it again, but stopped somewhere around here. So that means we can already see that there's a level somewhere written here, because the market looks like it has been respecting here, 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 and now the market come back and respect here again. So now let's go deeper into the, let's look closer into what's happening there. So yeah, first thing I want to do is to identify a trend. I want to identify a trend within this movement. Now I would like to draw my trend from the bottom here, where the market started ascending upwards, right, to here, the lowest point where it has descended thus far. And then also from this level here. Now what I'm going to draw now may be tricky because of this supply zone, but if you look, there's been a small consolidation of 4 hours here. So I'd like to draw this from here to continue across this consolidation area too, because I see that there are 2 points here where it consolidated. This market broke out here, this green candle broke out, but then it failed to break through this support zone, this supply zone, right? And it came right back down and it tested the trend zone again, and look, further consolidation. So what I'll do is to draw my trend line to cut across those 2 points. And to our greatest surprise, you looked and see that the market has consistently tested this place here, it broke out, consolidated within that trend, broke out, tested the supply zone, came down, and now it's resting on top of our former resistance, which is now a support level, and here a further support level. So now NFP just came out, which is not farmers payroll, just came out about 30 minutes ago, and that was what made this market to drop all the way down. Now from what we can see here, we can see that there have been more than 1, 2, these are 4 tops now. So this more than this will be like a double top, right? And within these places, within these areas, one thing that I've noticed is this: there've been an engulfing pattern. There's been an engulfing sell from here. This the first engulfing sell. This is the first engulfing sell. This is the second engulfing sell. Pardon me to be able to label all this. Man. let me just call it second ES. Okay, that's engulfing. So okay, then we have another one here. Okay, oops, let's see, third ES. Okay, and now what do we have here again? Let's see, do we have another one? Yeah, we do, right here. So that's the fourth engulfing cell, and we can see that also there's a double top right here and here. So normally the market is supposed to go down and break the shoulder level of the double top, but what happened? The market went up here again, and what can we see? Yeah, there's a fifth engulfing cell candle right here. Okay, and that just opened up now on the 2 p.m. So what do we expect? Normally it's expected now that this market is going to test this region. Let me just draw a path for you guys. So now it's expected that this market might too. Don't forget that we are not the forex market, but it's more expected that this market is going to test within this support level, right? Probably make its way all the way back here to test again until the market is decided that it wants to move, or it can continue down from here to this point here, right? Test this resistance. If it breaks through, it may go up again, or it might come all the way to test this major trend line. That's this line that we have been moving on. So but however, if we decide to go short on this trade, it's allowed. Yeah, so you can go short by opening this position here right now to take profit here. Your take profit 1 should be here, and possibly your take profit 2 can be around here, or take profit 3 here. Your stop loss should be above this high. Don't forget, institutional trading, you may want to put your stop loss above here because of the fact that the market can come just to look for a way to kick you out and then fall back. Let's say some people enter this market somewhere around here now, and then they put their stop loss here or here. Do you see this wick? This wick just came out to take you out of the market, and then ooh la la, started going down, right? So it's the same thing that can happen here. You know, smart money traders may put their stop loss very tight like this, and it helps them, but I will put my stop loss here and use a very good lot size. So instead of me using 5 lot size for maybe a 100k account, I may stick with using 1 lot so that I can ride this whole wave. Because don't forget, it's all about being consistent. So you do not really know what market is going to do, but you can open your trade in such a way that you can ride the wave of what is going to happen. So if I open up this trade here, I'm looking at ideally my stop loss is like, mentally my stop loss is around here. So even when the market is, oh man, let me just use my hand. Ideally my stop loss is around here, okay, because this is the highest point of these areas, but I'll put it here just in case of those institutional movements, right? And my take profit will be somewhere around here. This should give us over 150 or 100 pips movement from that point, right? Let me calculate that pips quickly. Yeah, that should give us about 140 pips from here to this level. So yeah guys, so trade carefully and let's see how and what happens to this market. Remember, the ultimate is for this market to get all the way to this side, right? But put your TP1 somewhere around here first. Why? Because of this, also this area of consolidation around here. There's been a consolidation around this point. Yo, I don't like my videos going above 5 minutes, so guys, have mercy on me. The market comes here and consolidates within this area like this. It depends. If the market breaks out of this zone, out of this our new zone, if it breaks out of our gray zone, right, and then keeps going down, then we are definitely going to see the market testing this level. If it comes out and break here, it's going to test this major level here. All right, guys. So for now, let's see how this trade goes, and take care.